Bola sa proper north. Pinasa kay number 23. 23, block. Foul. Offensive foul. Defensive foul. Number 23. Bola sa Baybay 13. Number 21. Grabbing the ball. Tumira ng dos. Wala. Nakuha ni Galvez. Galvez. No good. Number 23. Rebound. Pass to number 8.
Remaining time 8 minutes and 55 seconds.
Wala. Galvez on the rebound. Pass to number 13. Moldes. Moldes dribbling the ball. Tumira ng dos. Wala. Number 23. Foul. Number 23 o Baybay 13. Foul.
Remaining time 8 minutes and 30 seconds to play.
Number 23. Fourth personal foul. Number 16. Dribbling the ball. Pass to
14
number
shot
10.
clock.
Pass number 5. Pasok. Number 5. 2 points. Acosido to Moldes. Intercepted by number 10.
Remaining time 8 minutes and 16 seconds to play.
Same ball.
8 minutes and 16 seconds.
Score 59-77 in favor of Baybay 13.
Ilang team fouls niya? Ha? Isa pa lang sa board? Apat na yung Foul lang, foul.
Ang total ko rin namin mo.
2 points, number 8.
Mag-5 foul sa kada board. Pero pinag-ginawan na. Sige lang.
Foul.
Uy, hindi ka mo. Sama mo yun.
Remaining time 7 minutes and 55 seconds to play.
Substitution ref. Bola sa Baybay 13.
14 shot clock.
Pass to Mangable.
Remaining time 7 minutes and 35
Back
seconds.
to Banyares. Banyares to Mobles.
Bad shot clock.
3 points. Mobles. Number 16. Pass to number 8.
14 shot clock.
No good. Rebound by number 11. So Moldes. Oh, bola sa proper north. Number 23, dribbling the ball. Domescarte. Tumira ng 3. Wala. Rebound by Galvez. Galvez to Mangable. Mangable, dribbling the ball. Pinasa kay Banyares. Banyares. Domescarte.
14 shot
Balik kay
clock.
Mangable.
Remaining time
To
7
Banyares.
minutes left. 10 shot clock.
Mangable, no good. Rebound by Galvez. Galvez. No good. Rebound by number 8. Nakuha na number 16. Number 16. Domeretso. Pasok. 2 points. Number 16. No proper north. To Banyares.
14
Banyares.
shot clock.
Tumira ng 2 points.
Remaining time 6 minutes and 25 seconds to play.
Number 10, dribbling the ball, Paho North.
14 shot clock.
Score,
10 shot
82,
clock.
63. Intercepted by number 11. Acosido. Domiritso, foul. Number 16. Timeout! Paho North.
Remaining time 6 minutes and 3
Paho
seconds.
North, under penalty. Score, 82-63 in favor of Baybay 13.